Today's lesson is multiplication and division facts 2. So there's nothing new in this lesson. All you have to know that swapping the numbers like 5 times 9 equals 9 times 5. So the product doesn't change if you change the order of the numbers. And all the other facts are repeated from the previous unit 10. Now in challenge 1, you're counting on and back in 4s. In question 2, you're counting on and back in 3s. In question 3, you're counting on and back in 6s. So it's like gonna be easy because you're counting on. In 4s, that's 4, 8, 12, 16. Then we have 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. Then count back, that's the opposite way around. So 40, 36, 32, and so on. In challenge 2, complete these multiplication targets. 6 times 5 equals 30. 6 times 4 equals what? 24. 6 times 7 equals 42. 6 times 6 equals 36. 6 times 10 equals 60. 6 times 9 equals 54. 6 times 3 equals 18. 6 times 8 equals 48. 6 times 5 equals 50. So all you're gonna do is multiply the number in the center with any number above it. Now, the 9 multiplication table has always a rule, a golden rule. So 9 times any number equals the number in tens minus the same number. So 9 times 4 equals 40 minus 4, that equals 36. 9 times 9 equals 90 minus 9, that equals 81. And so on. For the 8 multiplication table, you have another golden rule, which is 8 times any number equals the same number in tens minus double the number. So 8 times 8 equals 80 minus 16, which is double 8. So 80 minus 16 equals 64. Because 80 minus 10 equals 70, then minus 6 equals 64. Now in the second page, we have 5 times what equals 10? 5 times 2. 5 times what equals 50? 5 times 10. 5 times what equals 45? 5 times 9. And so on and on for 6 and number 9. Now you put a tick or like circle the question in each pair that seems easiest to work out, then write the answer. So which question is easiest to work out? Or which multiplication is easiest to work out? 5 times 8 is easier than 8 times 5, which equals 40. Now, 5 times 7 is easier than 7 times 5, which equals 35. Although it's the same, but sometimes beginning with a number is easier. So 4 times 9 equals 36. And it's easier than 9 times 4. And it's always the same. That's it for today's lesson. Now let's move to this question. How do you make the number 7 an even number without addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division? How do you make 7 an even number without any mathematical calculations? That's it for today. Thank you so much. Goodbye.